This story is new for you at 9. Central Florida's rising country star Michael Ray is going to headline the pre-race concert at the 61st annual Coke Zero Sugar 400. The Eustis native was recently nominated for an ACM award and is blowing up on the Billboard country charts as well. And we have got Michael Ray joining us live this morning via Skype. Hey, Michael, good morning. It's good to see you.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
We're doing good, but you're doing much better. Talk to us about this rise. Your music is just doing so well. Are you surprised?
Oh, thank you. Well, you know, it all started being in Central Florida and, you know, playing all the clubs and places in my hometown of Eustis and all around there, and we just grew it from there. So, you know, it is a surprise when you get to celebrate, you know, #1 song and just coming off that and releasing a new single, just seeing how far things came since playing those clubs back in the day. It's we feel very blessed.
I have to ask you, since you are so hot right now, do you ever get a little bit of your own kind of a celebrity crush, meaning you see somebody that you've always admired, right? And then they're saying, hey, I know you, but you're saying, yeah, but I know you. Have you ever had anything like that happen?
It literally just happened to me at an airplane, on an airport, in an airplane at an airport, obviously. We were headed to Dallas, and I grew up a big WWF fan, and so we were walking in, and I saw Jerry the King Lawler sitting there, and as I walked past, his wife said, "That's Michael Ray," and I was like, "No way!" And so she said, "Hey, I'm a big fan of your music," and I had to do it. I was like, "Dude, you're the king," And so when I walked off the flight, they were kind enough to wait at the gate. We took photos. So yeah, that was my last. That was my last one where I was like, that was a full circle moment.
I tell you what, that's going to be one of many. What's it like when you come home to perform? Because you are a hometown guy. Do you feel any added pressure when you come home, or does it feel like home when you come home?
No, it feels like home. I just feel like I kind of just settle in. I told my fiance Carly, we went down and played a show in Newport Richie not long ago, and I said, as a Florida guy, once you see palm trees and there's just something about being home, you just kind of relax a little bit more than you do anywhere else on the road. And Florida built who I am, it built my career, it built me as a person, and I think that anytime I get to go home and play a show, it's just like playing your backyard.
Well, we're looking forward to having you back home very soon. Michael Ray, thanks so much for joining us, and best of luck as you continue this amazing career of yours. We're very proud of you.
Thank you all for your time. Appreciate it.